All right, Toughners, welcome back, and we jumping back into some more crazy bone like rain. Shit's gonna be hot. You know what's up. All right, Toughners, welcome back, and we jumping back into some more crazy bone. And this one actually has the lyrics. I know it's a new album. This is from the Quick Fix album, and the previous songs I did reactions to didn't have the lyrics up yet, but this one I looked it up and it's right here, like rain. So hey, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this, man, because you know she's gonna be a banger. I think I've reacted to 4 songs from Quick Fix, and all of them have been bangers. All of them have been doozies. Never failed to impress. Crazy Bone never fails to deliver. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and jump into this, man. I like that the old school is coming out with some new material. It's gonna be 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's get into this. You know what's up.
Yeah, it's going down, going down, going down, going down. Suckers, I can't stand them. Say nigga, your mouth done running the flex, but can your ass cash them? Because of your mouth, we coming to collect, coming out your ass, damn them. We weeding them out, we still with the flex, we pull up and blast random. They know what I'm about, I do it the best, the first and last standing. They do it for clout, you niggas a mess, I'm ready to crash ram 'em. They call me the count, cause I never rest, I'm with the fans vamping. So tell me your loud, but never forget that I'm the damn anthem. Them niggas talk loud, but never.
I'm the damn anthem. You know Bone Thugs the anthem. You know what's up with that, bro. Bone Thugs is gonna live for all time.
For clout, you niggas a mess, I'm ready to crash ram 'em. They call me the count, cause I never rest, I'm with the fans vamping. So tell me your loud, but never forget that I'm the damn anthem. Them niggas talk loud, but never a threat, believe I can't handle. Never needed a voucher, earn respect, so understand platinum. I'm leaving them thirsty, begging for my verses like they panhandling. Just say they get money.
Begging for verses like they panhandling. Man, come on, dog.
Them niggas talk loud, but never a threat, believe I can't handle. Never needed a voucher, earn respect, so understand platinum. I'm leaving them thirsty, begging for my verses like they panhandling. Just say they amount, you willing to bet, my nigga, this can't happen. I know you a slouch when put it to test, my nigga, you're barely average. Mad savage, spit, that's just a bad habit. Soon as they lift that bag, grab it. A+ with my mathematics, magnum in the stag, gat it. Cocked in, ready to blast at him. Ain't gon' snatch that bag, man, and after that I dash on him. When I flow, I pour just like rain. I flow, I pour just like
Boris.
rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. Like rain.
He's taking it slow, man, making sure them haters understand, you feel me? Yeah, he's taking it slow on this one.
Just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. Like rain. It's like rain. Bitch, I'm the man. My shit is so potent, they try to control it, consider it contraband. The flow is so cold, act like you don't flow through it like Aquaman. Ride my way, come catch a vibe in the mind of Craig. They see me shine from a mile away. Your kind never get the time of day. See, I never met a competitor. Competition to me is foreign. They normal, similar.
He's trying to let you know he can switch it up, though. You know what I'm saying? The little parts, he's like, da, 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 like, you know, I do it. I can still do it, man, you know?
Kind never get the time of day. See, I never met a competitor. Competition to me is foreign. They normal, similar, boring. If they died, I won't even mourn them. Somebody warn them. I'm warning ya. I'm warning ya. Come and take another look in my eye and see how we're more than thugs. They know it's incredible flow, it's impeccable.
Ooh, look into my eyes and tell me what you see. Come on, dog.
Somebody boring. If they died, I won't even mourn them. Somebody warn them. I'm warning ya. I'm warning ya. Come and take another look in my eye and see how we're more than thugs. They know it's incredible flow, it's impeccable. Don't need a metaphor, get to the point. They be so predictable, missing the principle. Typical niggas, nothing original. Keep them at minimum distance, limited entry. No bitch niggas allowed. Seconds don't even get mentioned. Pay no attention to nobody's running their mouth. Whenever they run up, I got one up and I stun them. As soon as they figuring they about to come up, I load gun up and I plug them. We get it in sundown to sun up. My niggas turn up like it's nothing. When they hit the flow, they start to wonder if it's lightning or thunder. It's rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow,
I like that chorus, though. I don't know why I like that chorus.
pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. Like rain, just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. When I flow, I pour just like rain. Like rain, it's like rain.
Like Krayzie still getting it. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, man. Krayzie still getting it, bro. You know what's up with Crazy Bone? That shit was like rain, smooth. You know what I'm saying? All right, man. Like and subscribe, hit that notification button, follow me in this musical journey. One love, peace. Keep it real.